are you doing today? Welcome to our last week of online spring classes and welcome to our week of summer. We are going to be talking all about summer this week and reviewing some of the things that we have learned in the last few weeks. So first I'm going to talk about what is summer. If you remember, we have 4 seasons, right? We have winter, spring, summer, and fall. Now summer is our hottest month. It's when we get the most sunshine. It's when there is light very late in the day. It doesn't get dark until later in the evening, so there's lots of sunshine time to go outside and play. And it's when we might visit the beach or the swimming pool or play maybe at a splash pad or in a water table, lots of water games, because since it's so hot, we need to cool off, right? So what kind of clothes do we wear during the summer? Do we wear a scarf and a sweater? No, that would be too hot. Those are things that we would wear in the winter time when it's cold. But in the summer, it's hot. So you might wear some shorts, you might wear a short sleeve shirt. I have my tank top on today and a sundress. It's nice and cool, and that will help me stay comfortable in the summer. So what are some other things we might wear? Would we wear a jacket? Not usually. Maybe at night when it starts to get very cool. How about a bathing suit? Yeah, we might wear a bathing suit. What else? How about sweatpants? Probably not. That would be too hot. But we might wear some shorts or some swim trunks, right? Or board shorts to go swimming in. That would keep us nice and cool. We could also wear something that you wear on your eyes. It helps keep the sunshine out of your eyes. What are those called? Sunglasses, right? You might wear sunglasses because in the summer, the sun is so bright and those sunglasses protect your eyes from the sun. You might also wear something on your head to help give you shade in the summer. Does anybody know what that's called? A hat, right? You might have a sun hat that has a wide brim that sticks out far. You might wear a baseball cap that just sticks out in front of your face. But both of those would keep you nice and cool because they would give you shade in the summer. So later this week, if you're going to be meeting with us on Friday, we're going to wear our summer clothes. I want you to dress for summer. Wear something that you would be nice and cool and comfortable when it's hot outside. Okay? And we're going to be doing lots of review this week. We're reviewing our shapes. We're reviewing our digraphs. If you're in our meetings with us, we're going to be practicing writing our numbers, and today we're going to be talking about letter sounds. So lots and lots of review for what we've learned in the last few weeks and also throughout the rest of the year. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to practice our digraphs. I'm going to hold up a picture and I want you to look at it and think about the sound that those 2 letters make when they're together, because remember, a digraph is 2 letters put together to make one sound. Okay? How about this one? CH. What does CH say when you put them together? Not K. Ch. Very good. Ch, ch, chugga, chugga, choo, choo. CH says ch. Very good. And how about our next one? Oh, TH. Not T. One sound together, it's th, like thumb, right? You put your tongue between your teeth. Very good. How about our next one? SH, like a shark. Shh. Remember, our SH says shh. Very good. How about this one? WH together make one sound. It's nice and soft. It's like our W, but it's softer. Very good, like whale. And here's our last digraph that we talked about. PH. PH. This one is tricky. It's not p, right? It's one sound and it's f. It sounds like an F. Like in phone. Phone. Very good, friends. Awesome job. Those are our 5 digraphs that we talked about the last few weeks. And we're going to move on now to our shapes. Now, I have kind of a little game for us to play with our shapes. I have all these summer pictures up here. And I'm going to hold up a shape, and I'm going to see if we can find something on this board that has to do with summer that matches that shape. Okay, so we're looking closely at all the summer pictures. See if you can find anything that's a shape that you recognize. We're looking for our 3D shapes because I see a star and I see a semicircle, but those are 2D, those are flat. I want to see if you can find 3D shapes. So let's take a look. Our first 3D shape that I'm going to grab is this. It's got a circle at the bottom and it comes up to a point. What is this shape? It could be a party hat. You could put ice cream inside. It's a cone. Very good. It's a cone. Now, do you see anything on our board that's shaped like a cone? How about these flip-flops? Are those shaped like a cone? I don't think so. I don't see a circle on the bottom and a point at the top. How about our umbrella? Do you see a cone? Not quite. It looks kind of round and it's got a point at the top, but it's more circular, right? This comes straight up to the top. Oh, I know. Do you see it? Our ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. Very good. This is a cone. There's the point, and here it's round where the ice cream goes in. So let's take a look at the word cone. What sound is that? Cone. The sound is k. Which letter says k? Well, that's a tricky one. There are 2 letters that say k, k, k for cone. What's one? One is this one. K, k. K. K says k. Well, it has the same sound, but cone doesn't start with K. It starts with the other letter that says k. What letter is that? C. C says k, like in cone. Ice cream cone. Excellent job. Here's my next shape. Now it has squares on all sides. There's 6 squares all put together. What is this shape? A cube. Very good. This is a cube. Do you see anything on my summer board that's shaped like a cube? Ooh, how about the beach? Is that shaped like a cube? No, silly Mrs. Gomber. What do you see? Do you see the cube? It's melting all over because it's so hot in the summer. Very good. It's an ice cube. An ice cube. Now let's take a look at this ice cube. There's the squares, right? We know it's in the shape of a cube. Now, what letter does ice cube start with? Ice cube. Ooh, do you hear that sound? Ice cube. I, right? Letter I. Now I is special, it's a vowel, so it has two sounds. What's the other sound? I says I and I. Very good. I. Awesome job. My next shape is this. It's a ball. What is that shape? It's called a sphere. Very good. Now, do you see a sphere on my board? These waves are not a sphere. How about my beach ball? That is a sphere. Very good. And what sound does beach ball start with? Beach ball. B. It starts with B. Very good. Beach ball. How about this shape? It's got a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and a round face that connects the two circles. This is a cylinder. Very good. A cylinder. Now, do you see a cylinder on my board? This might be kind of tricky. How about my sea star or my starfish? Is that a cylinder? No. Oh, I see. Do you see a cylinder? Let's take a look at our pail. This is our sand pail. It has a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and a round face that connects the two. Our sand pail is a cylinder. Very good. Now, what sound does pail make? Sand pail. Pail says in the beginning, that's P. P says P. Very good. Sand pail, the word pail starts with P. Awesome job. Now our last shape is this one we learned last week. It's got a square on the bottom and triangles all around that come to a point or an apex at the top. This is a pyramid, right? Pyramid. Now, do you see a pyramid on my board? I don't think the flip-flops are a pyramid. How about the watermelon? No. Ooh, let's look closer at this one. Do you see a pyramid in the sand castle? Yeah, right here, right? It's flat on the bottom, there's a square on the bottom, and it comes up to a point with triangles on all the sides. There is a pyramid. Now, what does sand castle start with? Sand castle. What letter does sand castle start with? The sound is s. That's, whoop, no. Sorry, I'm forgetting my sign language. It's been so long. S. S says S, right? S. Excellent job, friends. Let's take a look at our last summer items and see if we can figure out the things that they start with. Now, these two, this is the sun. This is a star. Ooh, I see something else that starts with the same sound. A seashell. Now, what sound do these start with? Sun, starfish, seashell. We just said it, right? S. S. S says S, like in sun, starfish, and seashell. How about these two? I have some waves and watermelon. What sound do these have in the beginning? Watermelon? Waves. Right? W says w. Very good. W. And how about the beach? Just like our beach ball, beach starts with B. Very good. B for beach. How about my umbrella? Umbrella. U says right? And it's a vowel, so it says U and like up and umbrella. Very good. And our last summer picture up here is our flip-flops. Flip-flops. What sound does that start with? Flip-flops. F. Flip-flops starts with F. Flip-flops. Very good, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today to review our shapes and our sounds. And this is the end of our lesson, but I hope that you join me because later we are going to be making this watermelon craft. Watermelon is something I love to eat in the summertime. So we're gonna make this fun craft, and I hope you join me later in my craft video. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks, friends. Bye.